welcome back to my channel. My name is Haircare. If you guys are new, hey boo, welcome. So I want to go ahead and give a small disclaimer. I'm sorry for the background. It is going to be some stuff going on in the background, and if you guys hear it, I'm sorry. But I also wanted to do this video when my kids are occupied, so yeah. So if you guys don't know, I will be starting esthetician school this year, and I'm so freaking excited. So yeah, so I bought this kit. On Amazon. It will of course be linked down below in my Amazon store, but I bought this kit on Amazon and it literally has excuse me, it literally has almost everything that you need, almost everything, because it doesn't come with lash shampoo, the lash shampoo brush, it doesn't come with like stuff like that, but all the essentials that you need to get started on doing lash extensions is in this box. So if you guys see my previous videos, then you guys seen that I also do wigs. I got this wig stand from the beauty supply store. I don't know if Sally's has it, but it's at my local beauty supply store. But I could also use this for the mannequin head that's in here as well. So it works out. I don't know if you guys want to get one, but you should get one. So let's go ahead and open up this box. So when you first open up this box, let's go ahead and do it. So when you first open up this box, this is what it looks like in the inside. And it comes with actually a pin to tell you guys what's all in it. Tell you what's all in it. Then on the back, it looks like it gives like instructions on how to do it as well. I took this course. I will leave that in the description box as well. She has a course where you can do it online, or you can do it in person, or you can do a one-on-one Zoom call. However you guys want, I will leave her information down below as well. But let's go ahead and get into this box of goodies. Okay, so first thing that's in the box, I know we see the mannequin here. Let's go ahead and see what we don't see. So, okay, so it looks like it comes with a fan. Okay, good. And it comes with a little charger for the fan. So get a fan. I think this comes in purple and black if I'm not mistaken, but this was only $30, y'all. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. So let's go ahead and get the obvious out. You get a mannequin head, and as you guys can see, it has like a little hole right there where you can put it on here, just like that, and then you can do your lashes and stuff like that. Really easy. Or if you want to do it on your lap, do it on your lap. And that. And it also came with this stuff. So let's go ahead and see what's inside of here. So it looks like it came with lash cleaner, or not lash cleaner, but like, oh, so it comes with a tweezer cleaner. So this is a tweezer cleaner. So that's pretty cool. Says it lasts 6 months unopened. Once you open it, only lasts 2 months. It comes with some gel pads. I'm not sure how many it comes with. It looks like 10, but I don't know. Comes with this. And it also comes with this pad. And it also comes with the micro things. And it comes with 3 different lash extensions, and it also comes with the pre-made fans as well. And it comes with a pair of scissors and also some spoolies, or you can call it lash brushes. And it comes with rings to put your glue in. And it also comes with 2 different tweezers. It comes with a straight and a J. And it also comes with these, that's to help take off the lashes. And you get 2 sets of lash strips. And you also get lash glue. And you also get lash glue remover. And it comes with 2 different tapes. And I'm not really too sure what that is, but yeah. And it also come with lash maps. So like I said, I will be starting esthetician school this year. I will be getting into facials. If you guys don't know, my business is Lash. I sell natural skincare, hair care, and Haircare products. And I also want to get into doing lash extensions and makeup as well, because I did launch my makeup collection this year. So I'm gonna have fun with y'all on here too, because we're gonna do different makeup looks. I'm still kind of fairly new to makeup, but I love everything in the beauty industry, honestly. I love doing wigs, although wigs is still a part of my business. It just doesn't get pushed as much because I want people to focus more on my skincare and cosmetic line versus my hairline, you know. So the hair stuff is still on the website. I will still do wig tutorials, coloring wigs, making wigs on a sewing machine, all of that. That's still going to be on this channel. But I'm also going to get into showing y'all how to formulate your own skincare, hair care products, showing y'all behind the scenes of my business, showing y'all behind the scenes of me offering service-based things, like doing your lash extensions, doing waxes, doing facials, my whole esthetician school experience. Y'all gonna see that. And of course, like I said, I've been doing real estate. So my projected time to get done with real estate school is in late March, early April. And then I also start esthetician school in March. So that's why I kind of pushed the date back for esthetician school, because I'm still doing real estate and I kind of want to just focus on one thing. And then as soon as I take the test and pass all of that, then boom, I'm in esthetician school. If you guys follow me on Facebook, then you guys seen that those are the 2 things that I want to do, because those are the easiest to complete. It doesn't take that much time to do those. And then I do want to go back to college, actual college, and take business, because I said I was going to do that for a couple of years and I always pushed it back. But I think before this year ends, I will, maybe next year, maybe I will try to focus on my real estate and my esthetician this year, and then go and do business. And I want to do kind of like business marketing, just big business management or business marketing. It's between those 2. So I'm gonna find a school where I feel comfortable with and start there. And hopefully my goals for 2024, honestly, is to just educate myself, like bring my business back, because I did relaunch. I did say I was going to relaunch in April, but I changed my mind. I'm just going to go ahead and launch on my 5th year business anniversary. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video off. But like I said, I did want to start my business and relaunch my business April, but I'm going to go ahead and do it on February 5th or February 22nd for my 5th year business anniversary. But thank y'all so much for watching this video. It's kind of loud, and I just want to go ahead and end the video right here because I don't want to mess YouTube up or anything like that. So thank y'all so much for watching these videos. Stay tuned for all things beauty, business, and so much more. Even I'm bringing my garden back, y'all, so period. So thank y'all so much for supporting me, for still sticking around. I think I have 800 subscribers right now. I don't know, but thank y'all so much. Okay, thank y'all so much. So stay tuned. I will be showing y'all my little practice journey with this lash extension stuff before I actually start esthetician school. Like, I don't know, like y'all, I just can't wait for stuff. I gotta do it like right now, right then and there. But thank y'all so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more beauty, business, and so much more. Bye.